You guys, oh my gosh, I miss y'all so much. It's crazy. What's up, y'all? It's Lo or Taija, whatever you want to call me. I'll answer to it. But as you can tell by the title, if you're not reading the title, if you're watching this on your TV or something, this is me cleaning out my business shelf. This is not my desk. My desk is in my room, so this don't hold all my inventory. This don't hold all the products. Not all of them. A lot of them's put up in bins in my room. A lot of them's on my desk, and then most of them is here on the shelf. But this video is going to be a real chill video. Like, you could play this when you're doing the dishes, when you cooking, or just as a background video. You know, when you're on your phone, just on the couch, on the bed, just scrolling. I don't mind. This could be that video. Or you could definitely use this video as motivation, because that's what I know I would have used it for. I love watching people get their life together because it just motivates me to do more for myself. And it motivates me to get the pushing and to do what I want to do. So here's me. I'm starting off by removing everything off the shelf. I like to remove everything so I have a clear plate to work with. I know a lot of people don't work like this. A lot of people like to remove things from the first shelf to put it on the second, then clean the first, and then when they go to the second, they like to put the things from the second on the first just to clean the second. It's confusing. No, I just like to remove everything and get the work. This is my dog, Sweetie. Look at how happy she gets to see me. Get you somebody that gets as happy as Sweetie when she see me. Okay. Alright, so this is a phone stand. But the company that made it, they kind of made a manufacturing error, I guess, because it wasn't working on my part. They made it so it kind of covered the camera. Like, what's the sense of that? So me and my mama had to come up with something smart. My mama actually came up with this. We put the bag. It's kind of ghetto, but it's still very effective. And I got a stand now, but that's just how you know we started from the bottom. It's real cute. I'll sell it on eBay if I had to. Okay, so the amount of dump truck in this video is insane, but keep your eyes on the prize and not my prize. All right, so now I'm just cleaning out the second shelf, removing some of the inventory, putting it to the side. As you can see, my hair growth serums are right there. Y'all could go check out my website in the description. Everything's in the description. Y'all could go follow me on Instagram because I talk more about it, tell you all the pros and everything, how beneficial it is to the hair. And y'all could go cop up. I got inventory coming on the way because I'm gonna have to restock very soon because y'all be selling out fast. One thing I added to the shelf that I'm very proud of is these LED lights around it. Yeah, this makes it so cute and such a vibe to work in. Like, y'all don't understand. And with this shelf, you see how I have like 3 shelves? I actually have a back to it. So altogether I have 6 shelves, but I don't have enough space right now. But one day when I get my studio for my business, I definitely will be using all 6 sides. Oh my gosh, I meant shelves, all 6 shelves. I really just want to find out, how are you guys doing? Go comment in the comment section. I'll try to reply to everybody. Tell me, how was your New Year's? I'll make a story time on how my New Year's went because, as most of y'all know, New Year's was my birthday. I turned 20 years old and it was okay. I enjoyed during the end of the day, it was amazing. But to the start of my birthday, it was kind of a rocky start. I'll make a story time if y'all want it, but it might blow y'all away. But as for now, comment down below. Tell me, how was your New Year's? Tell me, how was your Christmas? I want to know about it all. And these are my designer face masks that I am selling on my site. I could go get into it. Louis Vuitton, 2 Babes, blue and red, as well as Balenciaga. A company ended up sending me hair so that I could promote it in a YouTube video. So that's what I plan on doing. I got that in the works for you guys. Another company ended up sending me hair, but you'll see that in a couple seconds when I open up the next package. But obviously my head ain't ready for it yet. My hair is so thick, I gotta get it braided down. But once my hair is braided, I got that video coming up for you guys. So like this video and comment if you want to see that. And also, if you got any products that you would like me to promote on my video, whether it's lip gloss, eyelashes, hair, clothes, whatever, be sure to DM me and we'll make that happen. I can already hear some of y'all saying, a company ain't send you that hair, you got it from Amazon, you got it from Amazon. No, baby, I got my ways. If y'all want to see a video on how I got this hair for free, for companies to sponsor me from Amazon, yes, they're Amazon sellers, but I still got the hair for free. Y'all can give this video to 1,000 likes. Yes, I'm pushing it, but if y'all want to see the video on how I get free stuff, not only hair, free anything, I'll show y'all products that I got for free from Amazon, and I'll show y'all how to get it if y'all get this video to 1,000 likes. Okay. If y'all have me on Instagram, these little wallpapers, I like to call them wallpapers. I use them as backdrops for my products. I call them different things. But if you have me on Instagram, they may look familiar because these are what I use for my pictures, some of them. So I don't know where I got it, honestly. I think I got it as a gift. But y'all can look it up on Amazon. Sassy will probably come up on Google. I don't know if you're interested. A lot of you guys be asking me, how do I get my hair so thick? Being that this is a voiceover video, why not tell y'all? I mean, it's not really a secret. I put y'all on all the time. My hair has been getting thicker and thicker recently. Why? Because I use my hair growth serum, and I'm not here to just be patting myself on the back. I'm literally putting y'all on. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's getting, and look, my curl patterns are coming back in the back, and I'm so happy because it was so hard to get curl patterns in the back of my head. But ever since I started putting in my hair growth serum, my hair just been getting so much healthier and thicker and growing. And this don't only have to go on the top of your head. This could go on your eyebrows, your lashes, your yoni, wherever you want to put hair. For your man, get it for your man. He can put on his beards. I'm telling y'all, I'm out here putting y'all on, so don't say I ain't doing nothing for y'all. I'm putting y'all on. Go to my website and get it if you want your hair to grow. But if you want to stay bald headed, go right ahead. Alright, I originally got this from Burlington, I believe. Don't quote me on it. That little rack, I got it from my shop. Hi.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm bugging. I don't know what I was just doing. But onto that rack, I got it for my shower, but I ended up using it for my personal stuff on this little shelf thing. Put my little lip glosses, my own personal face mask on there. So yeah. I will not be going over what I have in my containers in this video, but if y'all want to see a separate video on that, let me know. I don't know if y'all interested in seeing what I have for my business. But right here I have a bracelet. It says God is within her, she will not fall, and it is from Psalms 46:5. As some of y'all may know, I am an entrepreneur. I have my own cosmetic/boutique store, and I am a graphic designer. Let's get that clear, graphic designer. So interior design was kind of hard. This is not my profession, excuse me. I'm not an interior designer, so I'm specifically for graphic design. So this is kind of tricky, but I still got it. Now we into the face mask. Y'all could go hurry up on my site because these are selling out so fast, being that I promoted them on TikTok, and y'all know them TikTokers, they love them some designer. So y'all can hurry up, get these, they so fast. And remember I said I do graphic design, and these are the cards that I made. They thank you cards, I make logos, I make sticker labels. Anything you want, hit me up on my graphic designing page and I'll get those to y'all. But back to the face mask. If I was you, I would order real quick a Louis, a Balenciaga, or a Babe, Blue Babe, Red Babe, whatever you choose before they sell out. Or if you're a small business trying to come DM me on my Instagram. Get you a logo, get you some business cards, get you some thank you cards. I got you. You don't want to forget, you guys, be on the lookout for the hidden secret word. If you're a small business getting started, one thing I recommend you having is a journal for you to write all your inventory, all your products, the ingredients that's in it. All of that I feel is needed for when you're starting a small business, just so you can stay organized and keep everything in one specific designated area. So this is the finished product, you guys. It looks so cute. I don't know about y'all, but it definitely motivated me to go out, get some new customers, pack some new orders. Ugh, I just love it. And I topped it off with that rug at the bottom. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with it. So if you guys was to recreate this or even upgrade your desk just because I motivated you, I would love to know. So you could tell me on Instagram or even post a picture and tag me. Hello. If you found the secret word throughout this video, be sure to DM me on my Instagram, which is right here on the screen. DM me and let me know the word, and I will shout you out in my next video. Alright, let's get into it. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe so you won't miss the shout out in my future video if you was the chosen winner. Alright, love you guys.